Miko.
Hey guys,
welcome back to our channel.
It's Chantel
And Lyric, and today is another vlog.
Today in this vlog, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff, okay? So, like we said, we're probably gonna do something different, so
We're taking you guys along, have some fun. We're actually about to go to Doodah Diner to get some breakfast.
it's like a little local diner in our area,
It's really good.
and it's
Smack.
shmeh.
Shmeh.
That's just shmeh. It's so good, no, for real though. My stomach's growling just thinking about it. We just woke up.
As you can tell by my face.
And mine.
Natural.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see you guys when we see you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So guys, we made it to the diner. And we about to eat, boys. Hey guys, just got done eating breakfast and now we're at the mall, but a different mall, okay? This is the west one, not the east one.
But I'm not shopping.
Yeah, neither of us are.
Sporting.
Yeah, we're just here for my sister. It's nice. Hey guys, we're at my sister's job now because she wanted us to see her work. So,
It's funny how like every destination we're at, we're like, hey guys, now we're at.
so yeah, we'll see y'all in there, okay?
Alright guys, so like we're in the plane. And this is pretty cool. This is how the plane, this is how we're gonna be one day.
We're gonna be in this private jet, boy. Okay, let's go. Guys, I don't know, that was kind of dope.
Yeah. It's cool, like people who actually have private jets, like they customize and make it.
Yeah, that's
like,
what you
bro,
can do. That's so
imagine.
sick. Anyways, we're gonna try to go on this big one. It's a long line, so we're
Yeah.
gonna see, okay? Hey guys.
What's up? As you can tell, we're on the ground, so you know what that means.
A little get ready with that.
Doing our makeup.
Cause we're about to do some super fun things, okay? You're gonna see us go from busted to sister snack. So yeah, here we go, guys. Okay guys, so we're done with our makeup. We're gonna do our hair, of course. And then we're gonna put
You're
our
still
outfits
wet.
on.
Love that.
Mine's beautiful. Looks better on the camera.
Do the hair dry. Oh, you look so pretty.
So do you. like always.
Yeah, so next time you see us, we should be
Completely ready. Hey guys!
What's up?
So obviously we got done getting ready.
Yep.
It was a process, but we're done now, and we're going to the pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch, pick out our pumpkin for our next challenge.
So yeah, we're going to this pumpkin patch, and I'm actually really excited because I haven't been to
Are
a
you
pumpkin patch
excited?
in a while.
Are you?
So yeah, we'll see you guys when
Turn
we get
right
there.
onto
Okay.
Southwest Street.
Turn what?
To get some. On the real, we appear to get gone. Victory is ours, bring the chip home. Galactic, and I'm looking to get more. Raise it up, seen but you don't know. Running like the blood, pumping from the pressure of adrenaline rush. We crush whatever we touch. Where you been, yo? Everyone know. And if you still don't get it, let it chill for a minute. Time is money, trust me, man, I'm on business. And if you want something done, do yourself and get it finished. Wake up, victory's mine. On top, still on the grind. Gotta go get it right now, holla at me if you with me. It's time.
So guys, that was yes, and it was so cute. Anyways, we're leaving now.
And we are about to go to, obviously, the mall.
The mall. Okay, we're sorry guys, but
But
hey,
after that, we have we're just gonna go somewhere we've never been with y'all. So
yeah. So
stay
stay tuned,
tuned.
guys. So we got back from the pumpkin patch. We were like, oh, let's get comfortable.
Yeah.
So we changed. So now we're gonna pick up somebody and we're gonna head to the mall because we're just going there real quick.
Yeah,
So
we're going there just to do something real quick, and then
we're headed to a new destination that we've never even done before.
Yeah,
so
we've
we're
never
kind of
even been.
excited. So yeah, told you guys our next vlog would be different, and look at us keeping our promises for once. So we'll see you guys when we get to the mall. Okay. Hey guys. So we just got to the mall. Okay.
anyways, yeah, we're just going to the mall. Yeah.
Guys, we'll see you guys in there. Okay, bye. We just bought some jewelry, and now we're at this hair store. Hair salon is it's called a barber.
Oh, sorry. I get my hair cut.
Take what we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Second verse, I'm telling you I'm ready to go, letting you know, cause I'm never alone. The ones that I roll with are incredibly known for getting down to the nitty gritty. If you really with me, let's go. Moves made, dues paid, most talk but don't do a thing. We certified, observers I come through and give a true display. We champions, we standing under up, you can't be. In the keys, ready to drive at top speed, let's get it out. Wake up, victory's mine. On top, still on the grind. Gotta go get it right now, holla at me if you with me. It's time.
Okay, Shantu.
It'll take all we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.
So it actually did not take 2 hours to get in, and now we are about to eat, about to grub, and then continue playing games. Hi.
Alright guys, so we actually forgot to end our vlog yesterday because we're having too much fun.
You know, that's just how it is when you're living the life. Definitely told you we were going to do something different, and
I think there was a lot of different things in that.
yeah, Dave and Buster's was so much fun. I love it.
Honestly, yesterday was so much fun. Like, start to finish, it was a great day. I was exhausted after it, let me tell you. I was like,
Like and subscribe so you guys can see what is next from us.
and make sure you comment down below what you would like to see from us.
Next time.
We'll see you guys in our next video. Peace!